Pebble Creek ski area will be closed for the next several days after what's already been a rough winter for them. Pebble Creek received some snow early last week, but not as much as they had hoped for. As a result, conditions on the Aspen beginner area continued to deteriorate, causing it to be closed. Pebble Creek originally said it would reopen tomorrow. On Saturday, they announced, despite giving it their best shot and their crews giving it their all, Pebble Creek will be closed today and tomorrow. They will reopen on Wednesday.
And 2 feet in the forecast.
It's going to come down heavy, so just be prepared. Get your food, get your warm clothes on, stay inside.
Tonight, more than 136 million Americans under winter alerts after emergency declarations across 23 states.
Winter has finally arrived, and it's a good time to get some skiing in at a local ski area. Pebble Creek ski area announced
the Stash Park is closed. Please stay out of the trees. We do our very best today to get a little more of the north side opened up, meaning Upper Green, probably not way out. So if that happens, please do not go to North Pole. There's not enough snow to exit North Pole. If you find yourself over there in a pinch, call 911 and they will contact Bannock County Search and Rescue. We do not have the resources to come out of bounds. We don't maybe have the resources to go inbounds closed areas. Have fun, be safe, and have a great day.
Didn't they say like 28 on owls or something?
I don't know. They said 24 on the station instead.
Oh, wow. Rockabilly stay afloat. I like that idea. Yeah, boy. Oh my hell! Good Lord! I like that idea. That's a rock. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh. Whoa! Oh my God, it's a good day. Was it red?
Yes. Yes.
Bangarang. Let's go run it up. Hey Siri.
TJ's gonna get up.
Okay. Play Family Ties.
almost had a family of 5 following you onto this.
Onto the lift line? Yes, bro. Am I good, Dad?
Yes, sir, brother.
Gosh, dude.
Yes, sir.
Who's this?
Who's this?
Tell him I'm second.
Talon, I'm Carter.
We are the senators. This is right here.
Holy moly, honey.
You're so damn hard to please. We gotta kill this switch. You're from the 70s, but I'm a 90s bitch. I love it.
It is a 70 day. Oh, shit. I missed my pop. Oh.
This is like 2 years.
Let's get it. Yeah, baby.
We gotta kill this switch. You're from the 70s, but I'm a 90s bitch.
No! Oh! Big! One more house party production buggy. Yeah! Yo, I'm in flow state! Yeah! Yeah! Oh!
Ground. Jump rock. I'm getting films for you on all those. We watched it. Everybody's going wild on that line, bro.
I'm a bird! Yeah! Let's pencil it. We need to bring up the knees a little bit. Whoa! Oh, damn! Oh, damn! There's a bubble there! Oh! Oh! Hello. A little party in the park. It's so soft every time. Okay.
I didn't go as big.
I don't think I went either. Go. Ready? The tomahawk was cooler than stopping. Oh! Yo, yeah, I'm still flow state now. Yo! Yo, wait, lock in. Okay. Lock in, this is my thing right here. Got a little on mountain repair. No! I need to go rent some poles. Okay. Why did I break it? No, you did me so good for so. People down there, but they're ways down there. Full send, brother. Oh!
You landed?
Bro, he hit like a nose butter.
That pole, it's a trophy.
Thank you so much, brother. Have a good day.
At the end of the day.
Yes, you will. There you are. I just had to go get some poles. What kind of lunch? Like
Just like a quick lunch.
Thank you so much, man. Another
I wish I
one.
would have had my camera because you came down and did a backflip and then you did another cool thing and another cool thing and I'm like,
I bet he wishes he had a new pole.
So I just rented some. Who are you? You look so familiar. What is your name?
you know Cody.
Were you just a big sky?
Yeah.
Well, you guys ride a pony. I was wearing shorts.
Yeah.
Yeah. See, I'm not a complete I'm not a bad skier.
No, you're incredible.
Yeah, thank you. Yo, yeah, I was actually headed to Utah, and then Pebble was like, hey, we got snow.